My name is Patrice Noan Rosales and I graduated as the LBSHS valedictorian for the year 2022. The study habit that most helped me while I was taking HUMS is finding ways to make learning fun with friends. To echo Aristotle, we are social animals, so I found that it helps to talk to your peers about what you liked and what you didn't like about the lesson. And as for the things that you didn't understand, the internet can become a very amazing supplement. There are videos, tutorials, and articles waiting to be consumed. So go out there and share with your friends what you find so that no student is left behind. Thank you and good luck!
Is trying to learn through teaching with your friends or with your classmates. But the catch is in some of them, ako yung nagtuturo. Explain to them in a very congested way kung about saan yung lesson or kung ano yung mga key concepts within that lesson. I-apply yung term sa ibang paraan na hindi lang siya basta memorization. Try to do this. Kasi through this way, napapractice mo yung sarili mo. Good luck!